Hello everyone and welcome for today's session. In today's session, we will discuss about the significance or role, functions or importance of capital market. Why capital market is important for our country? That is explained by this significance. So, in this significance, the first point is mobilization of savings. People have ideal savings with them. These savings are not fruitful. It means the ideal cash in with the people do not earn any amount. Rather than if it is used in some productive way, then it can earn some money. So capital market take the money from the people and provide this money to those industries who are actually in need with this. So by this way the capital market transfer the funds from the people to corporates. The second significance is capital formation. By transferring the capital from one place to another place, it actually helps the organization to acquire capital from the market by issuing various securities. By issuing various securities from capital market, the corporates may able to raise finance from the market and hence they can fulfill their capital requirement. The next significance is provision of investment avenues. The capital market raise resource for a longer period of time in market, and in this way they provide an investment avenues for the people who want to invest in who want to invest their savings for a long period of time, as well as it also helps the people to earn certain amount of return on this savings. The capital market provides various avenues shares, equity shares, bond, debentures, preference shares, mutual fund, insurance policy, etc. Avenues are nothing but various investment ways, investment options. The next advantage is speed up economic growth and development. The ideal fund do not earn any amount of money and hence it remains same over a period of time. Now at the same time, the industries which need finance, if the people do not invest in such companies, then they always run out of the finance. If people do not invest their savings in bank, then too bank do not receive fund, and the same fund bank cannot lend to people, and hence the capital market transfer this fund which remains idle, which are unproductive with people, to transform them into the productive ways, and by this way the economic growth, by receiving funds the organization may able to produce more, they may able to produce good quality product, and again it will sell in a market, and by this way overall the economic development and growth can be possible. So capital market plays an indirect role in economic growth, capital generation, employment generation and development of overall society and economy. The next significance is proper regulation of fund. Now capital market is regulated by certain authorities. They have formulated certain rules and regulation regarding how to raise finance, what amount they can raise through finance from people, certain fixed percentage of return and many more things. These regulations are over a period of time are subject to change, but these rules and regulation provide a qualitative direction to for people's saving, and this way the capital market regulates the organization who want to raise finance from the market. The next is service provision. A very important financial aspect is it provides various type of services to industry, like it includes consultancy services, finance for export, then underwriting services. These all are the part of capital market only, and capital market need all these services generally when organization wants to raise finance. So these all services help the manufacturing companies, the manufacturing sector, in a longer period of time. The next is the continuous availability of fund. Capital market is a place where the investment avenues, various securities, are continuously bought and sold. It provides the liquidity for buyer and seller, and hence both buyer and seller can easily buy and sell the securities in which they want to invest or from which they want to take their money back. So by providing a platform where buyer and seller can continuously buy and sell, the capital market ensure that both the party has enough amount of liquidity through capital market. The next significance is it is a good source for expansion and technological upgradation. through in capital market, one of the market is primary market, and by issuing shares through primary market, company can actually generate the real finance, finance in terms of money, and then this finance which is raised through primary market is used in expansion purpose or technological upgradation purpose, etc. So capital market also ensure the organization, also provide the assurance to organization that by raising fund they can expand their business. The next is diversify risk. The capital market provides various avenues, various ways or instrument to invest in market, and by allocating a person in by allocating the funds savings in different investment instruments, a person can secure their risk. People can reduce the risk of investment. It is a very common saying in investment that do not put all the mangoes in one basket. Similarly, if you invest all the fund in single place, then the risk is very high. So capital market provides various avenues, and from these many avenues an investor can allocate their some certain amount of money in some instruments, and by this way they can reduce the risk, is called as diversifying risk. The next is easy liquidity. Both primary with the help of secondary market, that is stock exchange, the capital market ensure that there is a good amount of enough amount of liquidity for the investors who have invest in capital market. Further, commercial banks and other such traditional investment also, an investor can easily withdraw their money. Say for example fixed deposit which are lied with the bank. A person can go at any time, and within a few hours to few days person can liquidate their amount of money and get the fund in the form of real cash. So by this way also capital market provide liquidity. Then the next is rapid industrial growth. Any industry will grow only if they will get a qualitative as well as quantitative finance. Primary market provide the finance and facilitate in increasing production as well as productivity, and by this way company may able to promote a rapid growth in one organization, and this way it will again go to the other organization, industry, and ultimately the whole country's industry will grow. The next is foreign capital. Not only capital market helps to raise finance from our country, but capital market also makes possible to those people who want to invest in foreign companies, as well as to those companies who want to raise finance from the foreign market, overseas market. So there are certain type of instruments which are available in capital market through which the person can invest in foreign market, as well as the company who want finance, they can get finance from the foreign market in terms of FDI, that is foreign direct investment, or FII, foreign institutional investment. And in this way it will also helpful in economic development. And last is, it is beneficial for investors. There are many, the capital market helps the investors it make ensure it provide a platform where a buyer and seller can meet, and by this way they can buy and sell the securities. By advertising securities, by capital market provides the information to investors, like by advertising in primary market, people come to know about the prices of the securities, for what purpose the securities are issued, and by this way they can also decide whether to invest in this company's shares or not, as well as it provide a one kind of safeguard to those investors who want to invest in share market and prevent the various fraudulent activities taken place by certain people or organization. And in this way it provide the assurance to investor that their money is safe in capital market. So these are the few importance of capital market. So that is all about today's session. Have a nice day. Goodbye.